Hi everyone, it's Michael Citron with the Citron Group, your Parkland resident real estate specialist. We're doing our market update for the month of September 2019. We have currently 318 single-family homes for sale. Last year, there were 54 homes sold in September, as opposed to this year, we've had 44 home sales. So there's been a 19% drop in overall single-family home sales. The median list price was $649,450, as opposed to this year, $673,950. So the market's actually picked up about 4% in the median sales price, and that's a good, healthy, steady market. That's what we should be looking for. The median, that's the list price. The median sales price is $625,000 last year, as opposed to $665,000 this year. That was an increase of 6%, which is also a really strong, healthy market. And this is all coming together with our really good spring-summer selling season. The average days on market last year in September was 72 days on market, as opposed to this year, 68. So down 5%, still really good. It hasn't gone up much. So we'll continue to see that as we get to the end of the year. The average price per square foot last year was about $192 a square foot. This year, this September, it's about $205. So an increase of 6%. This is all phenomenal news for our overall single-family home selling market. So we also look into the $1 million market, because this is a real volatile market right now in Parkland. Last year, we had 30 home sales in the year to date. Where this year, so far year to date, we have 42 sales. So we're already 29% ahead of last year's numbers. So that's phenomenal. We're seeing more $1 million plus homes sell. We're seeing more luxury buyers come into our market. And that really was because of the great spring-summer selling season that people were pushing into communities like Parkland Golf and even out east into Cypress Head and Pine Tree Estates. The median list price was $1.325, and this September was $1,419,500, so an increase of 7% in the median list price. The median sales price, $1,250,000, and this year to date, $1,300,000, and that's a 4% increase. So 4% increase in the overall $1 million home sales. That's great news, as that market's really struggled in the first couple quarters. So we really had a strong third quarter, and we're hoping this pushes into our last quarter of the fourth quarter. Days on market, last year 115 days. This year 136, so homes are staying on the market a lot more for the $1 million price point, 15% increase, and that's not what we want to see. And finally, the price per square foot, $263 per square foot for last year. This year down to $235 per square foot, which is an 11% decrease. So overall, pretty good news. This is the first month that I've really posted positive numbers that I've seen from the statistics. People are buying. That's exciting news. If you have a $1 million home for sale, or you know somebody that's looking to sell, this is really informative piece of advice that you really need to hire the best agent, because we do have a lot of competition right now with 76 active homes for sale. A few months ago, we had in the 90s. So this is all positive, great information. If you want to know what your home's worth in today's market, you're looking to sell it before the 2019 year ends, or you're looking to get an early start in 2020, visit our website at myparklandhomevalue.com. That's myparklandhomevalue.com, or you can always reach me, call, text me directly. I'm always available and accessible at 954-609-0591. Thank you so much, and we're always here to provide expert advice and knowledge, and we'll see you next week with another video on October's market update.